Coir here is a wind, especially a favourable wind. Now, down where you're going, there's a place called Tamagotchi, the well of the fair wind. And what they did there was, when the men were at sea and the wind dropped and the women were getting a wee bit worried, they'd go to the well. It's just above the pier in Down-Killen. They went down there, and what they did, they started to bail the water out of the well. And this was to, I think it's in keeping with the science behind it, because you're lowering the pressure ashore, you know. And the wind will blow in.
To protect their fishermen out on the sea?
No, to give them a fair wind home.
Yeah.
The name of the well in Rin-na-Killen near Tillen was said to have been drained by wind to conjure up a fair wind home for local seamen.